G'day again, folks. This lovely little bloke who's bobbing down and being busy is a Australian Coot. I'll say that again because the car just went over the wooden bridge. It's an Australian Coot, also called the Eurasian Coot. This semi-aquatic bird is more at home in the water than he is on the land, that's for sure. Spends, the vast majority of his time in the water, although he does prefer to sleep or roost standing up a couple of feet above the water, like on logs or tussocks or reed beds, that sort of thing. Tries to get out of the water and sleep standing up. He eats mostly aquatic plants, algae and weeds and things, which you can see him doing. But he eats them on the surface. He sorts out his tucker and whatever he picks, you can see him there. He'll dive down and pick some weeds, and then he'll bring them up and eat them on the surface, sort through them, and But he does also eat worms and aquatic insects and bugs and things like that, but mostly plants. What else can I tell you about the Australian Coot? Not much. They nest, of course, in the reed beds. Sorry about all the noise. This place is usually really quiet. There's someone on one of those water bike things paddling around. They get pretty brutal when the breeding season's on. These guys fight a lot. You'll see them chasing each other. The males chase each other around up and down the river. They're pretty widespread, these birds. You can see they're uniformly a kind of slaty or charcoaly colour, but the head's a bit blacker, and then they have the white mantle on the beak. Like a nose mantle, like a nose guard thing, which is white, and they've got that really bright reddish brown eye, amber sort of coloured eye. So that's the Australian Coot. There's a little mate just turning up too. Pacific black duck. Yeah, they cohabitate pretty well. They fight amongst themselves, but I haven't seen them actually fighting with ducks or anything else. So, Australian Coot, Aussie birds rock.